in the third availability zone. So I will choose my VPC, scroll down here, we call it fourth, private subnet 2, right? Then it will be in the third availability zone. 10.4.0.24. Then create subnet. Come here and check subnet. They have created. So let me come down here. Here's this subnet. I didn't give it a name. It will be my first subnet, private subnet, right? So I have here the first one, the second, and the third. So I will create another subnet with then private subnet 3, then the third availability zone in the side or block, give it 10.5.0 and then 24. Scroll down, then create subnet. The next step will be to create route tables. So I will create route table and they will call it public route table. Then choose VPC and scroll down, then create a route table. Then create another route table for the private subnets. I will call it private route table. Then check my VPC, then create a route table. Then in route tables, I have to edit the subnet association. That means that what are the subnets that I want to have in each route table. So in the route table, this route table, I want to have only the public subnets. So subnet associations, edit. Then here I will check my first, second subnet. Then save that. Then for private route table, I will assign it only the private subnets, because these subnets, I don't want them to be reachable from the outside. That is why I have covered them within a private route table, so no one can reach them. They are reachable only from within the VPC. So edit subnet associations and choose the first, the second, then the third private subnet, then save that. Another thing I have to do is go to subnets and edit the IP assigned. The first one, we'll go to action, modify auto assign IP address settings, then I will enable that, because I don't want my EC2 instance to have static IP address, because if I wanted to have static IP address, I have to buy it and pay for it. But as long as I want just to do a lab, I just do a lab for demo. So I want to have a dynamic IP address. So every time I stop my EC2 instance and they reboot it, I have a new public IP address. If I want to have a static IP address, I have to allocate a public IP address for your EC2 instance, and you have to pay for that. Then click save. Then go to public subnet 2 and do the same. Enable, then save. Right? Next step is to create an internet gateway that will enable my public subnets, or the subnets that are reside within my public route table, to access to the internet. Otherwise, if I don't attach this internet gateway to my VPC, my instance cannot be reachable from the outside, and they cannot send requests to the outside, because they are restricted only within the VPC. So if I want to allow my EC2 instance to send traffic and to receive traffic from the outside, I have to create an internet gateway. So let me create gateway, call it my gateway, then create an internet gateway and attach it to a VPC, then my VPC, then attach it to it. Alright, another thing, I have to edit the routes within my public route table, because my EC2 instance does not know anything about the outside. They know only the inside, means the VPC. So I have to say my EC2 instance, look, if you want to reach to the outside or to an IP address that is not in this range of the CIDR block, so go to the gateway. It will take you outside and bring you what you are looking for. Right? If you don't do that, your EC2 instance will be confused and will not what is the route that must take it to go to the outside and look for an IP address that is not in the same range, means that is not in the private IP address. So for that, I have to go to the public route table and edit the routes. So here in routes, I have to edit the routes, and here